Hey, what is up, techie people? I hope everybody out there is enjoying a great health. So, for today's episode, I have a super watch face in the house that is from a developer you guys already know. He makes some really cool and awesome animated watch faces, and this one is no exception at all. So, name of the watch face is Urarity Apex Bronze. Here is the name present at the top. It has this nice looking animation in the background with these unique watch hands. Further, developer of the watch face has shared this online coupon generator tool that is kinda handy, and here we have just 20 coupon codes per country for these specific designs. Make sure you try your luck as soon as possible, and if you were not able to get this watch face totally free, you can just buy this Apex watch face and get coupon code for another one for free from the developer. You can check further details on the Samsung Galaxy App Store for this watch face. And here we have a new issue with the Samsung Galaxy apps. If your pay button is not working, make sure you try to clear the cache as well as the storage of the Galaxy apps. This resolved my problem, and I hope so it will also fix your issue as well if your pay button is not working. Further guys, moving back to the watch face design, in the background you have to just double tap in the center of the watch face to change themes, and in this way I can change a lot of themes with this watch face. Here we have darker themes, bronze themes, silver themes, a ton of themes with this animated Urarity Apex Bronze. And if I double tap here on the week meter, it will take me to my specific app shortcut menu. In the same way, if I double tap here on the deal time present at the top left side, it will take me to my second specific app shortcut menu. And here at the bottom we have our battery percentage present in the form of this meter. So it's a really nice watch face that you should have in your collection. Further guys, if I double tap here, it will change my theme, and if I double tap here, it will not trigger anything. I think so we have just specific app shortcuts with this watch face. So do check it out. And now let's see it's always on display mode. So guys, this is how the always on display mode on the Urarity Apex Bronze will look like. You can see once again a superb darker background to conserve the battery life, and here the animation has stopped. Once again, if I rotate the bezel, all the colors will be back. But in the always on display mode, we had the same bronze color of the watch hands. That is kind of unique and nice to have on a watch face. So do check it out, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.